Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit, and this is the Stock Market and Option Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purpose only, should not be considered best advice. Options carry risk. Hey, a reminder, it's on the Black Friday sale. Everything in our store is 50% off. This is a once-a-year opportunity. It's between now and Monday. Go in and get your coursework at the cheapest that you're going to see, and you'll be a happy camper. Speaking of happy campers, not the S&P 500. You got the Dow off 100. The NDX is flat. That's important. And the Dow and the S&P is barely down. All right, so I'm looking at a market that, as soft as we have been, looks like it wants to go up today, believe it or not. I'm looking at a market that I think is getting ready to rally. You got the NDX flat. That is key. You know, tech has been such a leader for sales, and if it's up, even with Apple down again today, you know, then that's a bit of a big deal. Although I'm going to say that that's probably wrong. Oh no, that's China. No, yeah, you can see the Qs are flat. Qs are flat. I think we're, despite the VIX being up, remember we are coming off a day off. I think we could see things go green and the VIX soften up. I think we're lined up for that. I do. So what am I going to be playing around with? Probably going to look at the financials. I'm probably going to take another look at some Apple ideas. I think it's time to maybe check out some sort of strangly trade in Apple. All right. So what I mean by that, I mean some sort of trade where I'm betting on it moving away from 175. I'm not sure what that's going to be, but I might play with something like that. I'm going to be playing with Caterpillar and Deere today. Deere had earnings the other day and blew them out of the park. And I am going to play with Deere because I think it's time for Deere to probably catch itself ahead of steam. Those earnings were so good, and it's been able to be up in this cruddy market. Imagine what's going to do if the market actually turns around. So Deere's interesting, Caterpillar's interesting, and then I'm probably, looking at the individual ETFs. See, biotechs have had a bad year, but I might play with those. I'm going to look at playing with some of the energy names, and and probably maybe some of the financial names, because oil is off again today too. But I think oil, it's about time for oil to find some sort of level. It's amazing the way this thing has just died. And to its credit, look at XLE. Look at that. That is USO. Let's look at XLE. Bad, but not nearly as bad as oil itself. So, I don't know how the Fed is going to be able to claim that there's inflation when oil has fallen to the lowest level in 5 years. If I pull up a chart of let's flip back to USO. Here's that chart. Let's look at a 2-year chart. I mean, look at this. I don't know, 5-year low, no, but we're right back to mid 2017 levels. So I just don't buy that there's a lot of inflation, and so I think you're going to see the Fed start talking about pausing. Even if they raise rates in the next Federal Reserve meeting, I think their language has to change. All right, people. I hope you have a great day. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Enjoy your shopping.